Let's look at a similar problem. This is a question about classifying triangles, so let's solve it together. Core concept: classifying triangles. Let's review some important points about triangles. First, triangles can be classified by their angles as acute, obtuse, or right triangles. And remember, the sum of angles in any triangle is always 180 degrees. Let's understand what we know about Maria's triangle. Maria's triangle has one angle measuring 110 degrees and two angles measuring 35 degrees each. Let's check if these angles can form a valid triangle. Let's check if these angles can actually form a triangle. Adding the angles, 110 degrees plus 35 degrees plus 35 degrees equals 180 degrees. Perfect! These angles can form a valid triangle. Now, let's classify this triangle by its angles. One angle is 110 degrees, which is greater than 90 degrees. This means it's an obtuse triangle. Remember, a triangle with one angle greater than 90 degrees is called an obtuse triangle. Next, let's classify this triangle by its sides. We can see that two angles are equal, both measuring 35 degrees. When a triangle has two equal angles, it must have two equal sides. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. Today we learned the sum of angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. An obtuse triangle has one angle greater than 90 degrees. An isosceles triangle has two equal angles and two equal sides. Maria's triangle is both an obtuse triangle and an isosceles triangle. Great job! You have finished this part.